So, good day everyone. So, today I'm going to have a video tutorial about how to calculate the D value and the Z value. So, here is the problem one. The D110 degrees Celsius value for our microorganisms is 5 minutes if the initial microbial contamination is 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram of product. How many microorganisms will remain in the sample of the heat treatment at 110 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes? So here is the given. The initial remaining cells per gram, which is the 10 to the power of 9, and the time is equal to 25 minutes. The temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. The D 110 degrees Celsius is equal to 5 minutes. So the question is, in 25 minutes, how many microorganisms will remain in the sample?
So this is the given. The N0, which is the initial remaining cells, is 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram. The time is 25 minutes, then the temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. The D value of 110 degrees Celsius is 5 minutes. The question is, in 25 minutes, how many microorganisms remains? So using this formula, the log N close open parenthesis time is equal to log N0 minus T over D. So first is the T is equivalent to 25 minutes, and the N0 is 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram. Then the T is 25, then the D value is 5 minutes. So first divide these two, it will become 5, then cancel out the minutes, it will become negative 5. After that, transpose the log N 25 minus log 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram is equal to negative 5. Then divide this two, it will become log close open parenthesis N 25 over 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram is equal to negative 5. So to remove the log, this will become 10 to the power of negative 5. So N25 divided by 9 to the power of 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram is equal to 10 to the power of negative 5. To get the N25, multiply the 10 to the power of negative 5 times 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram. Then the result is 10 to the power of 4 cells, or 10,000 cells per gram, which is in 25 minutes. So on this side, this is the easiest to calculate the remaining cells, which is times and the remaining cells. For initial times, which is they have 10 to the power of 9 cells per gram remains, then with the interval of 5 minutes. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So after 25 minutes, there are 10 to the power of 4 remaining cells. So that is equivalent to 10,000 cells remains in 25 minutes.
So here is the problem 2. During the sterilization process of combustible, it was found that the D value of a target microorganisms at 115 degrees Celsius is 5 minutes. If the Z value is known to be 10 degrees Celsius, determine the D value at a processing temperature of 125 degrees Celsius.
So here's a given to calculate the D 125 degrees Celsius, which is the Z is equal to 10 degrees Celsius, the T1 or temperature 1 is 115 degrees Celsius, and the temperature 2 is 125 degrees Celsius. While the D value or the D1 value is 115 degrees Celsius is 5 minutes, then the 2 is D value of 125 degrees Celsius is unknown. So to calculate the D 125 degrees Celsius using this formula, which is Z is equal to a change of temperature over log close up in parenthesis in D value 1 and over D value 2. So so the Z is equivalent to 10 degrees Celsius is equal to a change of temperature, which is 10 degrees Celsius over log, close open parenthesis, 5 minutes over D2. So first, multiply that 10 degrees Celsius multiplied by log, close open parenthesis, 5 minutes over D2 equal to 10 degrees Celsius. So to cancel out that 10 degrees Celsius, so we need to divide it, divide to 10. 10 degree Celsius both sides, therefore 10 Celsius. To cancel out this one, cancel out one, it will become 1. So here, so become log 2 times 10 5 minutes over d2 is equal to 1. So, and here, to remove the log, this will become 10 to the power of 1. So, 5 minutes over d2 is equal to 10 to the power of 1. To get the d2 is we need to divide the 5 minutes over 10 to the power of 1, which is the 10 to the power of 1 was originated at 10. So the result is 10 to the result is 0.5 minutes for d2. Next is, so this side is this is the easiest thing to do to calculate the D195 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature or the degrees Celsius, and the D value, which is the minutes. So it is the D1 is equivalent to 150 degrees Celsius, and their D value is 5 minutes, and for D2 is 125, and their D value is 0.5. So how to calculate 0.5? From here, point here, move to the left side, because the temperature, when temperature is increasing, the decimal points move to the left side. If the temperature are decreasing, the decimal point move to the right side. So that's why it becomes 0.5 minutes.